Baby bus!
Let's go, Sheriff Labrador!
The Water Monster in Lake Lunar, Part 3.
Hey now! One monster is already one too many. That can't be good!
Seeing Officer Doberman's surprise, Cassius the exotic shorthair raised the corner of his lips with satisfaction. He sat down on the couch, crossed one leg over the other, and took a sip of juice. Sheriff Labrador frowned when he saw the smug look on Cassius's face.
Cassius first says he was taking a walk by the lake, then says he was swimming in the lake. There's definitely something suspicious.
A flicker of doubt appeared in Sheriff Labrador's dark, round eyes. He scanned the room carefully.
Huh? What is that?
Sheriff Labrador's eyes fixed on the shoe rack by the door.
Cassius said he hadn't left his house for days. Then why are his shoes wet? And something in the shoes looks familiar. That's moonlight moss.
Sheriff Labrador was lost in thought. Then his dark, round eyes instantly glistened.
I've got it. Let's call it a day, Dobie. Let's look elsewhere for clues.
Hey now, okay.
Sheriff Labrador and Officer Doberman left the home. Cassius, lying on the couch, was relieved after seeing Sheriff Labrador and Officer Doberman walk away. He grinned and jumped up.
They say Sheriff Labrador is clever. Well, looks like I just pulled one over on him. Tonight, my plan goes back into action.
At night, all was quiet by Lake Lunar. A chubby figure emerged from the grass and peered around. He was relieved to see that no animals were at the lake. Then he pulled out a large fishing net from behind him.
For so long, I've heard the fish in Lake Lunar are big and plentiful. Thanks to my ingenuity, I've come up with a great idea. All the fish in the lake are mine now. And Sheriff Labrador, maybe he's too scared to leave his house right now.
Oh, are you sure?
Yeah, Sheriff Labrador and Officer Doberman, what are you guys doing here?
When Cassius saw Sheriff Labrador and Officer Doberman suddenly appear, he was overcome with fear and hid the fishing net behind him.
Hey now, of course, we're here to catch the water monster.
The water monster feeds on animals. It has 10 big fangs. Aren't you scared?
There's no water monster in Lake Lunar. Cassius, you're the one responsible for spreading rumors.
Oh, no.
Cassius palmed his face, and his voice trembled as he spoke.
I didn't do that. Sheriff Labrador, there's a water monster in Lake Lunar. I am telling the truth.